Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and today we're gonna be doing some unboxing. A little bit different kind of unboxing. I have something that is especially for the boys, and then I have the regular FabFitFun box. The winter one is here. Very excited to unbox this. I thought it'd be kind of cool to have something that's more specific to men because it is the time of year that people are giving gifts. And with social distancing, these are good options because these are things that you can actually send to people, which is awesome. You're gonna have to know the person that you're sending this to real well. But I'm still really excited to unbox it. So let's do this one first. This is from Manscaped, and this was one of their full packages that you could get. It's a full package. Also, I love the box, like the packaging on this. You ready for this, Duck? You ready? You ready? I didn't know they could talk, but apparently they can.
Well, they say ouch.
Alright, so it comes with this little piece of paper that kind of gives you the rundown of their products. Gives you I love all of like the puns on this. Manscaped, let's get mowing. Oh man. Tells you the right way and the wrong way to do this. See? Right way, wrong way. It's very important. Okay, so first we got this little pouch, and in here has the charger. That's not important, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We got the little plug-in. That's the so you can travel with it. No, I don't think that's what it was. I think it's just the brush that cleans it. So we got the charger, and then I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's the head. So this, so you can put this so you don't go too short. It's very, very important. Oh, you got a little stand for it. It's a charging stand. That's so smart.
So everybody knows you do this.
So everyone, as soon as they walk into your bathroom. Okay, moving on. This is the actual razor, I guess. And it just sits in there. It's so convenient. Like, where would you even put this? Like, just have it out in the open? I mean, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Then this box in particular comes with some boxers. These are performance boxer briefs. So, what does this say? The microfiber blend ensures breathability and repels moisture. Anti-chafing detailing with sweat-wicking fibers prevent chafing and swamp crotch.
Because you don't want swamp crotch.
I would assume that would be really unpleasant and would probably be kind of gross.
You're probably gonna have to take those out of the package and look at them.
I probably do. There we go. They say Manscaped on them. They look like they have a little bit of extra room for your bits and things. Manscaped, because you know, you want to advertise that you're wearing Manscaped underwear. This is the funnest unboxing I've ever done. Ladies, if you want to know what your man is doing, just get him this and then he'll forever tell you. Oh, this is the Lawn Mower 3.0. So this is their newest version apparently. What else do we got in here? This is exciting. We got the Crop Reviver, a refreshing ball toner. Duck, you don't have that issue? You don't need a ball toner? Oh man, with active pH control. Whoever came up with this is a genius. Oh, here we go. The anti-chafing ball deodorant. What does it smell like? I mean, it smells like regular like cologne or like aftershave. It's not my favorite, it's not bad. It feels nice. How long is this supposed to last? Is it supposed to last all day? Take a shower. Oh, directions. Ready? Take a shower. There's the deodorant. That's the key. You have to take a shower first. If you don't take a shower first, this might not work. Then towel off until your goodies are dry. Oh, this is great. Apply a small amount of crop preserver onto your balls and the surrounding area. Oh, this is awesome. Wait, should we get Mr. MUA in here? Comes with a nice bag. It's a nice bag for the stuff for your bag. And then it comes with, oh, I think this is supposed to be, you can put this on the floor We save balls. Cleanse. Goods for your package. Get in position. It's like a full-on newspaper.
You ready to ride the SkyTrain wearing that or reading that?
I totally would. If I were to ride the SkyTrain, I would 100% just be on there, just be like, and be super obnoxious about it.
Oh.
Yeah, we saved them. They have designs in here that you can do. We got the original. Ready for this? The Get Lucky, the Royal, the Flower Power, the Light, and the Social. Oh man, like, wow. This is goodness. There's a seal biting a girl's butt. We got classifieds in here. This is a full-on newspaper, man. So apparently, according to their website, you're supposed to put these down on the floor so it catches everything as you're using this. Just easy cleanup purposes, apparently. I don't know. How did I know? But anyways, if you're looking for a fun gift for a significant other, or if he needs to get the idea of something, just give him this. Win-win for everyone. Unless he cuts himself, and not win-win for everyone. Make sure you use this. It's very important. Yeah, this. See, I find this smell of this way too strong. It's way too strong. It's too much. It's too much. Anywho, that is what comes in the Manscaping box. The more you know. You're welcome. If you've been thinking about buying it but don't know what comes in it, now you know. You're welcome. I think you could use it on your chest, your back. If you have a guy who has a hairy back, get this. Make the job hell of a lot easier. Girls can use it too. Why not? Electric razors are always good. Moving on to a gift, men, you can get for your girl. This is a FabFitFun box. They are awesome. They always have a lot of really good products in them, a really good variety of products. So if you want, get her a subscription, and it's a good, easy gift if you don't really know what to do. This one is a lot bigger than they usually are. As per usual, you get the price guide to everything, which is kind of fun to go through at the end and kind of figure out how much your box is actually worth compared to how much you spend on it. So you got some stickers, you got some coupons, you got a... See, annoying thing is a lot of these, like this wine, Bright Cellars wine subscription, it's only valid in the US and then in Canada. See, that's kind of annoying, but you still got a lot of products. First things first that comes out of the box is the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, which is ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-party prep. But if you're partying, go home, stay home, don't party. Have a party at home. Have a party for 1 or 2, depending on who lives in your house. Next is the Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. I actually really like these. These work really well. I haven't had one for a while, so looking forward to using that. We have some liquid eyeliner from Aesthetica. It's like a black one probably. Yeah, just a regular black eyeliner. These are always good to have. I actually really like having these little ones for my makeup kit because then I can just give them to the person that I'm working on and I don't have to worry about contaminating any of mine. Next up we have, oh, it's just like a card case from Below the Belt, a croc card case. See, I don't really find these useful. Like, what would I use this for? Like, it's so tiny and it only fits like 3 cards. But I I don't have any of those dresses. So moving on. We got from Laura Geller, the Cinnamon and Spice eyeshadow palette. She's cute. That's cute packaging. Shall we open her? Yes. Oh, I know someone who's gonna love this palette. Mrs. Duck is gonna love this palette. It's nice, neutral palette. Okay, next. Ooh, we have big things. So excited. We got, this is, what is this? It's a cozy robe. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. This is the softest thing. It has a hood. Look, it has a hood. I'm so excited. I love robes. Robes are my favorite thing in the world. They're just one of those things where first thing in the morning, it's cold. You just want something cozy. Do you want to feel this? It's so soft. Feel it? Right? No, it's mine. Kidna has it. Next thing, I'm just gonna leave this like this. It's so soft. Okay, moving on. Don't steal it. Okay, next thing is, what are these? Oh, they're slippers. Man, they just got all the cozy things in here today. Really good winter box. Okay, we have these slippers and they're fuzzy on the inside. Look at this, look at this. Just all of the cozy things are happening. Oh, and they have little grippies on the bottom so you don't slip and break your neck. I'm very excited for all of these things. Those slippers, that robe. Oh, shut up. I've always wanted one of these. It's an LED makeup light. Like, look at this. Seriously, I have wanted one of these for so long, but I've never bought one because they're so expensive. Like, so expensive. Hold on, I'm gonna find out how much this is real quick. That robe is $70 US. Stop it. Okay, the light. $45 US. So it's like, what, like 50 Canadian? 52. For this box, I paid like 55 bucks for. So the robe is $70 US. The mirror is $45. The eyeshadow palette is $45. If you want to look baller to your girl, get her one of these because seriously, she's going to get so many things. The slippers are $25 US. The face brush is 20 bucks. The little wallet thing, $35 US for this. And oh, the eye patches, I got those. The eye patches are $25. Yeah, so like you get a really good amount of things. The eyeliner is $21. I don't even pay $21 for eyeliner. Just kidding, that is not going in my kit. That is staying in my makeup table. That is going nowhere. Okay. That's all I got. That's all that's in here. That was a really good box. That's probably one of the highest valued boxes I've ever gotten. This is awesome. I'm so excited for this robe. Like, you have no idea. Got no idea. Don't even know. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys get any of these things for your significant others or family or friends or whoever, let me know. Let me know what they thought about it. Leave me a comment. And yeah, like this video because I would like to get sponsored by FabFitFun one day because I love their stuff and I love their boxes. So yeah, if you could do that, that'd be great. And subscribe to my channel because I do put out new videos every week, sometimes twice a week, depending on the week. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye!